Hi, welcome to Schogini Toys. Today what we are going to do is we are going to see another HourGlass using the matrix display that we have seen in our earlier video. So in this one, we will move the display LEDs in a sequential fashion from one side to the other. And when it is full, it will blink a couple of times and also it beeps. So let's look at the code. So the touch input lines are same like before. We have also defined the pins for the matrix display 7219 here. We have just added 2 lines for the buzzer connection. And here we have the total time for the HourGlass. It is set as 1 minute. It is set as 1 minute, that is 60,000 milliseconds. And in the setup, we are taking the time per LED by dividing the total time by the number of LEDs, that is 64. In the loop, for each timer tick, we call the illuminate LED function. Illuminate LED function is this. Okay, so it's a simple function where we calculate the row and column for the LED to be lit. And then we call the LED function set LED to light up that specific LED. This touch input can restart the HourGlass anytime. Okay, so now the HourGlass is working. For instance, if I want to restart, I can just touch it. Okay, so be creative like this and you can have your own ways of using this matrix display to make visually appealing projects like this. You can put this in a nice box and use it as a desktop HourGlass for your studies. You can change the timer to any value that you want. For instance, if your study time is 20 minutes slots, you can set it as a 20 minutes HourGlass. Good luck and see you again with another project. Please remember to like, subscribe, give your ideas, and the diagram and the code for these projects are available on our website. Please visit Schogini.com. Bye bye. See you.